Our recipe is fried plantain soup. Needs the following basic elements: skillet, knife, casserole, stove, spoon. Food needed to prepare the soup: a chicken breast, onion, salt, potatoes, peas, cooked water. Instructions: first, put the water in the pot on the stove. Now, set the heat on medium-high. Add salt and chopped onions to the pot. Then chop the potato and grilled potato. After that, mix the chicken with everything else added. Pour the peas and cut on it. Second, cut the plantain into slices. In a pan, add oil and put the plantain until it is fried. Is removed from the skillet and add to the soup. Let heat the soup in half an hour. Finally, with a spoon, stir the soup until potato is dissolved. Now enjoy!